Now, 2-0-2.
Nice. Gumagalaw dito.
Ay, sorry.
Ganda na. Kailangan mo lang i-direct.
Hindi kami nabubukas.
Na ano ka eh, nalilila. Saka, imbis na ang takbo mo. Di ba pabagsak ang ball? Ang takbo mo. Dapat dito kasi.
Serving
Para ikaw kami na pasalubong. Ikaw ang ball. Madidilis mo yun.
Next ball.
Kasi hindi siya malakas eh. Pero yung malakas, nabubuli sila ng Ricardo. Medyo may chance.
Si Rachel dati. Si Adri.
Serving 3.
Oo, video mo. Nice reset. Nice reset. Out!
Side out. Now, serving 2-3-1. Serving 2-3-2.
May sakit si Vic. Pag siguro dalawang kliyente mo, medyo may sakit.
Side out, serving 3-2-1.
Nain, galing. Parang kabisado yan lang na yan. Kabisado na yun.
Second service. Now serving 4-2-2. Side
Score
out.
yan.
Serving 2-4-1.
Ano, score?
Nice shot.
Magalit lang ako.
Serving 3-4-1.
Tamang masila. Yun.
Point continuous. And we're tied up.
Kalma, 4-4-1.
Okay, to call. Uy, galing.
Side out. 4-4-1.
Yeah, clearance there.
Adri, isa lang!
Second service, 4-4-2.
1 point.
Ayun na!
Very good.
Adri, isa lang ulit!
5-4-2.
Left side, direct to the point. Dali.
Visit ka? Ba't naging teacher bigla?
Ay, dali.
Ganda ka na sipat niya. Sakto-sakto. Sa pinakapiling ko talaga pupunta.
Second service. 4-5-2.
Yun.
Score is 5-5.
Let's go!
Good.
Sign out 5-5.
Sumabit lang. 1 point! Aaway pa.
Nice. Stop. Ang taas. Huli.
Sign out 5-5-1.
5-5-1.
Nice shot.
Ready, relax! Relax lang!
Score. Score is now 6-5-1.
Nice.
Another point for. Score is now 7-5.
Change.
Change score.
Break, break, break. Let's go, let's go. Reset.
Wins. Score is now 8-5. 8-5-1.
Okay, two stop. Nice!
Kaya niyan, te, kaya niyan.
Second service. Score is now 8-5-2.
Let's go. Good.
Tuloy!
Score 9-5-2. Another point. Score is now 10-5.
Time out, time out.
Time out. Okay, let's continue. 10-5-2. Time out. 5, 10.
Let's go!
One point.
Nice.
Get up, kid. Yeah. Laban mo na.
Score is now 6, 10 to
Let's go, Crisel!
Ready, 1 point. Pasok. Good. Pasok.
Ay, wala. Wow. Nice one.
side 10, 6, 4.
Kitchen lang. Kitchen lang talaga. Yan.
Kitchen, kitchen.
Yan!
Yan! Sana!
Wow!
Kaya na pala yun yung mag-isip ka. Magsuso mag-isip ka, please.
Pasok lang. Oh, kitchen. Sapa!
Oh!
Yan!
Outside, outside. Put.
Oh, saka outside na.
Score, ya? Score? Score.
Score 11, 6, 2. Dobby, score na.
Tawa-tawa ka.
Ay!
Let's go!
Hinga lang, hinga lang.
7-11.
11. Convenience store out.
Let's go! Let's go! Kaya pa, oh. Uso.
Wow. Good!
Konti na lang.
First serve pa lang si Crisel, no?
Ote. First service.
Crisel! Good!
Second service 9, 11.
Let's go, Ate Adre. Kayan, kayan.
Fair ball, fair ball. Sa'yo, Dre. BJ, pwede mo natin.
Wait lang yung store.
Bigyan mo siya ng time, guys. Pasok lang!
Yan.
Crisel.
Good.
Isa lang.
We're now tied at 11, 11.
Let's go, Ate Adre. Let's go.
Pasok lang! Good serve! Three.
Wala. Out! Ready, time out lahat.
Okay, ready position.
Wala na lang. Next one, Giselle. Next one.
Time out.
One.
Back to our game. Score is tied at 11. Serving 1.
Race to 4 na ako. Race to 4. Apat na mo. Apat na mo. Race to 4.
Second service. 11-11.
Takbo sa kitchen!
Sigawan ba naman kayo dito eh? Lahat na sigaw eh. Kasi tayo eh.
Oh.
Yan!
Tapa!
Yeah!
Aray!
Sobra.
Hindi pa sila.
Pag magmadali. Andri, pag magmadali. Relax lang, relax.
Ibigay mo sa gisa. Huwag na sa side.
Score is now 12-11.
Kaya nyo pa yan, te. Kaya nyo pa yan. Malayo pa, malayo.
Ganda.
Score is now 13-11-2.
One stop! Ready?
Kaya pa. Yan, oh. 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 Isa pa, oh.
Yun.
Oh. Para lang silang nag-drill.
Tapa! Tapa!
And we're now match point 11-14-2.
Okay, pasok lang, Dri!
Okay na, okay na. Meron pang isa, may isa pa. Okay na.
Ipasok lang! Ipasok lang! Ipasok lang! 21, di ba?
Hanggang 21 yan.
Side up! Bawi!
Score is now 11-14.
Sure ball!
Haba pa, mahaba pa. Service niyo pa yan.
Yan, ready?
Nice!
Hindi kasi nag
Tangin na dinakita yung mga tama dito.
Ready, 1 point!
It's okay, it's okay.
1 point!
Meron pa, te. Meron pa isa pa. Kaya pa yan, kaya pa yan.
11.
Isa pa, oh.
Pasok lang, Dri.
Hindi ka shot na.
Okay.
Pasok lang, Crisel. Ipasok. Ang bola. Ang bola. Ipasok. Ipasok ang bola.
Tuloy mo, te. Tuloy mo.
One point, kitchen agad, ha? 1 point, kitchen agad. Takbo, ha? Wait lang. Sa inyo mag, return. Kayo, Dri, kitchen.
Go.
Pasok! Ay,
Inside.
Ball is in. Second service 11-14-2.
ready.
Oh my God!
Let's go.
Ikaw!
Crisel!
Kapit.
Crisel!
Okay lang, Crisel. Okay lang.
14-12.
Nice one.
Ready, kitchen!
Baba pa yan hanggang lubaw pa yan, oh.
Ipasok lang, Dri.
Serving 14-12.
Ready,
Yes,
ipasok
chef.
lang. Balik lang, balik.
Ay, parang. Yan, no? Bang!
Bigay ulit.
Yan pa.
Chelsea, congratulations. With our first Eagle Federation tournament.
OMG! OMG! OMG!
manalo dun, panalo kayo.
Sana pala tinanong ko.
Ay, abot eh.